Welcome to Alley Picked and today's quick tip for making your own bungee cords. But why am I sitting here outside on this exercise bike? Well, this exercise bike uses the same material for these stretch bands as bungee cords. So I bought a roll of 100 feet to repair this, which happened to break. And now I had so much extra, I decided to make my own bungee cords and show you how it's done. This is a 100-foot roll of marine-grade bungee cord, 1/4 inch in diameter. It's not strong enough to hook up to your belt and jump off of a cliff, but it does have many uses to hold your stuff in place. Making bungee cords is not at all complicated. If you can tie your shoe, you can make a bungee cord. If you search Amazon, you're going to find cords in various thicknesses and lengths. The corresponding hooks also come in a few different sizes and styles as well. I bought a set that came with 10 1/4 inch opening hooks and 10 3/8 inch opening hooks. Since I bought 1/4 inch diameter cord, all I really needed was the 1/4 inch hooks. The 3/8 hooks are a little beefier and they'll also work with the 1/4 inch cord. You simply slip the cord through the hole in the bottom, tie a knot, and pull it tight from both ends. One knot is all you need for the 1/4 inch holes. For the larger hooks with the 3/8 inch opening, it's the same basic process, only I make 2 knots, the second knot right on top of the first. Now you're going to want to leave about a 1/2 inch extra to allow for slippage. Then take a match or a lighter and burn the ends to keep the material from fraying. Here's a bungee cord that has lost all of its elasticity. I used to throw these hooks away. Now, I just cut off the old cord and replace it with the new cord. Then do the knot thing followed by the burning thing, and there you have it. It doesn't get much easier than that. Most of the store-bought bungee cord ends are folded over and crimped in place using a heavy gauge wire. It's not that easy to reuse these clips, so I find that a knot works very well. Wow, that was easy. Knowing that you can make your own bungee cord in a matter of seconds, any length you need, or as short as you want. That's pretty cool. I'm Tom, this is Alley Picked, and that's today's quick tip.